Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to add Google Maps location to Instagram. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Google Maps application on my phone, and I'm going to pick random location to be added to my Instagram. We can tap on the location we would like to add, and after that we can click on the share button. You can click on this share button right here and click on copy to clipboard to get the Google Maps location link. Okay, and now the link has been copied to the clipboard. Then we can open our Instagram application. And after we have our Instagram application opened, we can go to our profile, tap on the profile button right here. Then you're going to click on edit profile. And we can add this Google Maps location link to our profile. So we can tap on the add link option, this one. Okay, and click on external link. Then you can copy the link right here. You can paste the link right here. You can tap and hold on the screen, then click on paste. Then you can also add title for your link. I'm going to add shop. Okay, and after we're done, we can click on the check mark button. Then we can go back to the previous section to check the link. Alright guys, and as you can see now, the Google Maps location has been added to our Instagram profile, and that's how we can add Google Maps location to Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.